Hello, Drew Fielding here from Drew's Crochet, and today we're going to be looking at how to do an invisible join when you've finished off the round. So you've done all your stitches, you've done the final stitch, but you want to join it to this top here. Now all we've done is we've cut the wool and pulled it through like you would usually. Now you need to thread it onto a yarn needle, like so. Now if you look carefully, that's the first stitch that we did, which was 2 chain. You want to go into the first V. Can you see these row of V's here? You want to go into the back of the first stitch there and go through both of those loops. Pull it through, don't pull it through too hard. And now if you go back to the last stitch you did on this side, just go into the back loop there. Now that will recreate another stitch on top. Pull it so it's the same as all the rest, and there you have it, a joined end stitch. Now then you just finish off as you would do with a stitch at the back and tighten it off, and there you have a perfect ending.